The best tax software for the tax year 2021. Filing taxes is one of those things on our to-do list that many of us are least excited about. However, this so-called burden can be eased if you use good online tax software. And if you go for online tax filing, then you have to look for the best option that you can get with low-cost and easy-to-use software. If you are looking for the best options, look no further, as in this video, we have gathered some of the best online tax software platforms for the year 2021 that you can choose according to your requirements and ease. Because taxes are confusing for many people, the added stress of finding the right software can be more intimidating. That's why we have researched and curated ideal options that are well known and commonly used. We will also cover some top-rated software providers that offer mobile tax apps, customer support, and in-person services that simplify the tax filing process. But before you learn about the best tax software, pay attention to the big red subscription button. As soon as you click it, you will be taken to the wealthy side, the life you deserve, where you'll find hundreds of videos. These videos contain the answers to almost any question you may have. There are also daily updates, so if you want to stay tuned, remember to turn on notifications. CashApp Taxes. The first software on our list is the CashApp Taxes, which is the only software that provides an entirely free tax filing service for federal and state returns. CashApp Taxes was previously known as Credit Karma. It can be an ideal option if you are not looking for one-to-one support and want to use DIY tax software. Contrary to some of the major tax preparation software providers, it does not have a limitation on income limits to be eligible for its free products. Also, the software provides support for many of the major IRS forms and schedules. In addition to that, it offers several other tax situations that other software does not provide, like rental property income or student loan interest. To help you in the process of tax preparation, this software is well equipped with simple and easy navigation tools that will help and guide you on each step. You will also be able to import your 1040 form by using the Smart File feature on its mobile app and your computer as well. Additionally, CashApp Taxes provides a guarantee for accurate calculations and free audit defense, so in case there is a mistake in the service, you can get a refund. Currently, it offers state filings in the District of Columbia and 40 states. FreeTax USA. The next software that joins our list is FreeTax USA, which is low-cost tax software. This software provides free filing for people in any tax situation, as it provides filing jointly, dependents, self-employed, rental property, retirement, tuition program distribution, home ownership, as well as investments. Well, this might be the online-only tax service that is specifically ideal for the people who are comfortable filing with little or no assistance and the people who want to bargain. Doesn't matter if your tax situation is basic or advanced, FreeTax USA allows you to file your federal tax return for free. However, in the case of state returns, it costs a fixed rate of $14.99, irrespective of the complexity of your return. Not just that, it also provides easy prior year imports from H&R Block, TaxACT, and TurboTax, which are some of the tax software we're going to discuss later in the video. Keep in mind that it does not have an option to import documents, so it means you have to enter some of your tax information yourself. But when you file your return with FreeTax USA, it is going to be stored as a PDF automatically for 7 years. On top of that, this tax software provider also claims that it helps military members to get a significant refund. Efile. While being one of the best tax software, Efile is a perfect choice because of its year-round discounts that include promotions and discounts for filers. If you are budget conscious, then this might be a feasible choice with a simple process. When you create your account on Efile, you can enter your taxpayer information and the software will prepare your return. It's a super helpful sidebar, and the simple interface includes prior year import that guides you on all steps. Efile focuses on providing speed and reliability so that the filers with simple tax returns will be able to file electronically in just 10 to 15 minutes. Not only is this tax software fast, but it is indeed very much less expensive than other software. That's why it has a basic option for federal filing. However, its Premium Plus and Deluxe Plus tiers are available for $35. With its great software interface, it will save the progress of your tax forms to save time for the next filing. Furthermore, you will be able to print out your tax forms to mail even though the platform is completely online and emphasizes electronic filings. Also, if you have any queries, you can get the on-demand phone or email assistance provided by Efile. TaxSlayer. TaxSlayer is a great option for self-employed filers as they can get its economical and comprehensive products. The significant benefit of TaxSlayer for freelancers or any self-employed individuals is that this is one of the cheapest options available in the market. For $55, you can get its most expensive tax preparation tier, and with that, you can get live chat support from tax professionals and also reminders for estimated tax payments. With TaxSlayer Independent, contractors with pretty easy returns can appreciate its free filing option. Although it does not have many amenities that are provided by its competitors' free versions, it offers every tool that you will require to file a basic 1040 tax return quickly. Additionally, it also provides free federal tax filing for all income types. Also, it offers deductions and credits through the landing page if you are in the military as an active duty member. But in the case of state filings, you have to pay a fee that can cost around $39. A quick reminder, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. Hewitt. This is another great software for tax preparations because it provides unlimited state returns, that too with a single and low fee. Not just the fee is low, but it also covers an unlimited number of state returns. During tax season, Hewitt pops up in big box stores and strip malls with its kiosks and pop-up shops. However, this tax preparer also has online tax software for individuals who are looking to file their taxes without much hassle. It provides several tools on its main page, and it has a choice for online DIY filers, and also it has 3 paid tiers for individuals who are seeking the help of expert virtual tax professionals. Hewitt's Standard Tax Pro from Home tier is ideal as it provides unlimited W-2s with student loan interest, Social Security, and dividend income of $1,500, as well as IRAs and unemployment income. Its deluxe package consists of those filers which include homeowners and dependents. However, its premier tier is available for self-employed people. Besides that, it is a safe bet if you want to file your tax returns with the support of a professional. Aside from the in-person options at malls during the tax season, Hewitt support staff has inclusive and IRS audit assistance available for you. In addition, it does not charge for all state files as it offers an unlimited tax return in the case of states with a flat fee of $24. TaxACT. The reason TaxACT is among the list of the best tax software is its straightforward plans for small businesses. It has a smooth income tax preparation that helps business owners or individuals who are self-employed by covering a wide range of cases. It can be a great option if you have more than one stream of income. TaxACT's self-employed tier covers the farm and business income with depreciation calculations and also covers freelance income. Not just that, it also has coverage of certain circumstances that are included in the premier tier, primarily consisting of rental property income, stocks, and the sale of a home. On top of that, you can use its calculator feature to get an idea of your estimated tax before committing anything. And in the end, TaxACT backs up its claim and offers a guaranteed maximum refund. It has a free package for an active duty military person and also for service people that are federal and state filers. You will be eligible for this offer when you enter your employer ID number while filing. H&R Block. H&R Block is among the best tax software and compares well with our top pick, TurboTax. Well, you get multiple ways to file your taxes, which contains e-filing with a tax professional or alone. It also provides products at a lesser price than its competitors. Being a prominent tax software provider, it has a great user interface that can be navigated easily. You can also get complete explanations on your tax forms and get a proper guide to filing your tax by yourself. It also features the ability to import your last year's tax return from other providers. Moreover, you get their paid tax filing tiers in case you have a complicated return. It includes Deluxe, Premium, and Self-Employed. You can get the option to file your tax returns with a professional in person or online. Its hybrid service, known as Tax Pro Review, helps people who opt for the DIY approach. H&R Block especially covers the increasing number of taxpayers who have HSA health savings accounts. It has a free plan, but its other plans can cost up to $85 for federal and $37 for the state. TurboTax by Intuit. TurboTax is the best option and our top pick as it provides splendid plans and covers a lot of tax returns for many individuals. The reason behind this is it merges the easy-to-use software interface with extravagant tax expertise. Furthermore, it is a perfect option for investors because of its reports of funds earning and sales of investment securities. The investment services are also included in its various tax filing products. TurboTax by Intuit will help investors by offering them the option to import their profits and losses from a wide range of sources. It has 4 tiers that contain Basic, Deluxe, Premium, and Self-Employed. The experts also suggest TurboTax as it has the ability where taxpayers have to put their info for transactions that, for example, include stock cryptocurrency sales. TurboTax is free for specific taxpayers, which include self-employed people and business owners who get a 1099 form. Keep in mind that individuals who are with rental income, farm, or incomes from investments are also not eligible to file a simple tax return. It has free to costs up to $89 for federal and $39 per state filing plans. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.